go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over there.
What's up, lifers? Gonna do you a little unboxing. 6 Cents had a Black Friday sale. I bought a little bit, not much. Hadn't done an unboxing in a long time. If y'all can hear in the background, and you probably can, it's raining, it's cold, it's December. I'm not doing anything today other than dealing with a noisy dog. We'll be back here in a second. It's always like Christmas when you say that. That tape right there means Christmas time, people. Yeah, I'm struggling. The old Gerber out. See if I can get it open. The box is kind of big. I don't remember ordering that much. I know it was mainly replacement stuff. There may be a few new things in there. I'm gonna set it right here between my legs and pull it out as we go. Some more Clearwater Rose paddle tail swim baits. That's been the juice all year. I was out. Needed another pack. That's the 4.4s. I got some of the same in the 3.2s. That right there, yeah. I'm gonna try to throw an Alabama rig this year. That might be on there quite a bit. Electric Shiner, that was another one of the juice this year. It's in a 4.4. I love them paddle tail swim baits. Been killing them, don't I? Hope the dog don't eat them. Alright. Jig trailers. Stroker Crawl 3.3. One of their new colors. Only reason I ordered is one of their new colors. Called the Muddy Burst. I think it'd be fire and a little bit clearer water. Yeah, I'm ready to use that on like a green pumpkin colored jig or something. Oh yeah, grass candy, something like that. That ought to be the juice. 100% the juice. Brand new from them. It's the Divine Shaky Worm. Y'all always say me wacky rigging. And just a black. Oh yeah, that's gonna be, yeah. It's a 7-inch. When you say me wacky rigging, that's what I wacky rig with. A 7-inch Divine Shaky Worm. 2 or 3 colors, that's a new one. Here's another restock item. That Green Pumpkin Burst. That right there, 90% of the wacky rig fish y'all seen this year, that's the color they came off of. Don't sleep on them. Get you some of them, that's the juice. Like I say, Divine Shaky Headworm, 7-inch green pumpkin burst. Getting a little deep here. Let's see what else. Oh yes, the one I've been waiting to see. We're gonna actually take this one out of the package. I don't know if y'all ready for this. Some new swim bait from 6 Cents. New soft plastic swim bait. It's called the Whale. It's in pearl white. I think on Welch that might be just the ticket. Got a good tail kick. Lots of detail to it. Something a little different than I throw. Oh yeah, that's gonna be the money. Yeah. They're supposed to be releasing some new colors. But yeah, I'm ready to throw that. I'll probably rig it up on a 5/0 underspin. I may even try it on a 5/0 just weighted hook, but yeah, I'm ready. That's the one I was waiting on. Still got a few more. The Clout. When I Texas rig a stick bait, that's it. Right there, 5.4. I'm gonna show you this color. This is one of their new ones. I like it. It's a laminate. I think that'll be the juice for real. Texas rig, clear water, real grassy lake. Oh yeah, that's gonna be money. When I talk about clear water and real grassy lake in East Texas, y'all know I'm talking about Welch. Yeah, I think that right there, probably gonna have to order more than. During the winter time, when the water's a little stained, like on Lone Star, it'll be muddy. That right there, that color, is what I killed them on last year, one of them. But this is a different size. It's a Quake 80, it's a little bit bigger. It's a 7/8 ounce lipless. And that Tiger Truce. Don't sleep on that Tiger Truce. You know you got a little muddy water. You drag this through some grass. Oh yes. Oh yes. Let's pull it out where we can see it, because that one's going straight in the tackle box anyway. A little bit bigger profile, but same color. Yes sir. It's ready. That'll be going straight in the box. Yeah. Will be used pretty quick with all this rain we're getting. Okay. Not a big jerkbait fisherman, but I'm gonna try this year. Colder water, suspended fish. I'm putting electronics on the kayak. We may start fishing a little more. This is the Provoke 106. I just gotta pull it out. It's sexy as hell. I'm just gonna say it. Color is Violet Panda. This adds to my this right here doubles my jerkbait collection. Doubles it. Can't wait to use it. Putting electronics on the kayak this week. Maybe in the next video we'll be doing that. Alright. This is the craziest bait I've seen in a long time. Been wanting to get one. Finally, they had to sell. I ordered one. This is a Cloud 9 Magnum square bill. I don't know if y'all can tell the color. It's shad truce. Let's pull this out. This is crazy. It's a 105 millimeter. Weighs 1.5 ounces, and it's a square bill. Fish it like a swim bait. But you can beat off the docks and the rocks and the stumps that you wouldn't do with a swim bait. Y'all check that out. That's not the coolest square bill you've ever seen. That's the one I've been waiting for. I started to pull the trigger on it last couple of orders. 20% off I had to. I will be throwing in a lot. Got a couple spots where I know that's gonna work. Got a little gold accent up front. They call it a shad color, but it's got some bluegill tones in it too, so. Got that chartreuse belly. Oh yeah. That right there, thank you Thai Pig Patrol. He turned me on to these. I can't wait to use that. Alright. If y'all like these unboxings, y'all let me know. Still ain't figured out why they put it in such a big box, but they did. And we'll do a few more. Might not always be 6 cents. Good odds that it will be. Y'all know I love that 6 cents. Alright, we're gonna try to get back out on the water Saturday. Y'all probably see this video Thursday, filming it on Wednesday morning in the rain. Think me and Rob are gonna get out. Maybe throw in some Alabama rigs, some jigs. The water temperature's gonna be so cold. I will be. I don't know what Rob will be throwing. Probably a paddle tail swim bait. It works. Keep doing it. Alright. If y'all got this far in this cringy video, like, share, subscribe. Sorry about the dog noise and probably the fan noise and every other noise you're hearing. One day I'll have a studio. I usually film these outside, but it's raining. And we're gone.